All right, hello. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. As always, I'm going to be doing analysis on the euro dollar trading pair. I want to stress that I am new to trading. I'm new to Forex. I started in March of this year, and this is I'm documenting my journey. Excuse me. So last week, I made, what's today? Today is August 31st, 2020. About 30 minutes before the market opens on this Sunday. And I'm doing this analysis. As you all can see, that there's no movement in the markets. Last week I took one trade, a paper trade, and my account, I fixed my account to $5,000 on paper trading. If you all don't know, you go to this gear, you go to a reset paper trading account, and you put in what you want to paper trade. My advice to you is don't be like, I want to trade 100 billion. No, or I want to trade 1 million. Don't do that. You want it to be as realistic as possible because not too many. Hey, I don't know your pockets, but I'm willing to go out on a very thin olive branch and say you're not going to be starting trading with with $1 million. Make it realistic, make it realistic. So let's see, account summary. Um, Here we go. I lost $80 on a trade. I had a wide stop loss. Mm, I had a wide stop loss. I had I think I had a dollar lot size. I can't remember. I should have wrote that down. Actually, let me go over here. What's I had a 10,000 lot, so a dollar. So my stop loss is pretty wide. So this is what happened. The other day, last week, that is, I said, I saw a few patterns shaping up. Um, some of the patterns that shaped up didn't pan out. I see we're in a we're in a trading range, but then I took a broader view and see if I see something that I'm not seeing. And where I saw this, goodness gracious, I can't remember. A wedge, an ascending wedge. Let's look that up. Ascending wedge. So I saw that we're in some type of ascending wedge. That's just, there you go. You can actually, is there a trading view link to this? No, not trading view, Investopedia. I'll leave a link to Investopedia down below for those who want to read up on it. And there was before we dropped out of the wedge range right here. So it was around right here. No. I think I took the trade around right here. And my stop loss was below the range of below the support line of the ascending wedge. Excuse me. Wow. I think I put it, actually, I put the stop loss right below this red wick, about 5 or 10 pips below. I think 5 pips below that red wick. And then obviously I stopped out, it fell out of the range. Excuse me. Some of the patterns that I saw didn't play out, but the one that's more consistent is the range pattern. Well, range. I got this line here. I don't think this is a head and shoulders, but I'll show you all what I see. Where are we at? I don't think this is, but I could be wrong. Head and shoulders pattern, and the neckline is right here. It's a slanted neckline. As you all know, how to trade a head and shoulders pattern is you wait for confirmation of on the right shoulder breaking the neckline. It did. Now on a stochastic, the momentum, as you know, well, the momentum is oversold. It's going to overbought territory. Let's see if it tests this neckline as resistance and go back down. If it does, then I'm in a trade. I'm in a trade, and this is just paper trade. I'm doing a paper trade. Again, I'm doing what? $1. I'm just putting $1 lot on it. $1 lot on it. And on the MACD, you have waning negative momentum. We'll see. I don't know. To take a larger view, I see that this ceiling, this resistance, this mirror resistance came up, hit it, came back down, established a support from right here, somewhat same support, established that as support, came back up, pierced the resistance, came back down, didn't quite make the hit the support, established a higher low, and went back up. Thought it was a breakout. I didn't take a trade then. I don't think I did. Failed breakout, came back down in the trading range. And again, the head and shoulders pattern that I possibly see. So we'll see where this is going to go. If it goes back above the neckline, then that head and shoulders pattern is null and void. But I do see what I've heard of this, and I read about it. Partial decline or something like that, where you got the established range, came back in the range, and it looks like it's about halfway-ish in the range, and it's like it's going to go back up. It did again, established a higher low, low, higher low, higher low, and then another higher low, high, higher high, another higher high. Like we said, on a stochastic is oversold, over let me see the data box. It's about, what's this? The green is about 14 on a stochastic. To be honest, you can take a trade right here, but I'm thinking on the MACD you have waning negative momentum, but I've seen this range before and then come back down about halfway in the range, and it looks like it's a reverse. I've seen that before, and I've seen that before right here where you have, come on man, I kind of want to get this perfect. You have it came back, well, maybe, and again, I want to continue to reiterate that I am a newbie. I've been doing this since March of this year. Been taking my hand at it, having at it. So I seen where it came to a range, hit some resistance, came back down, established support, pierced through the resistance again, didn't quite come back down and hit the support, hit the resistance again, established some higher low, another higher low, didn't quite make a higher high, but it did pierce the resistance, come back down halfway ish. See, let's look at the stochastic. You know what? To be honest, talking about this really helps. It really does help talking about this. Um, because in your mind, it's one thing, like, okay, in your mind, but really saying it is really helpful. On stochastic, we are over. Let's look at the data. Oversold on stochastic, which is around 8 on stochastic. I want that to move. Wow, yeah, 8ish, 10ish on the stochastic. Waning negative momentum on the MACD, and look what happened. We had like a 300 pip run up. That's my ruler. Gotta get the ruler. So I'll take it from right here, from when it broke out from the resistance to about this green, or about right here. No. Yeah, it's about right here. 300 fold, 300 something, 350 pips. So I've seen this before, and I've been told, you need screen time. You need chart time on the charts. You need to put in time, and it's paying off. I have an eyelash in my eye. Wow. Ah, irritating me. So you know what? I'm going to put a paper trade in. I've seen that before. I've seen it before. You know what? Let me I'm going to do a risk reward. I'm going to do a 3-to-1 risk reward. Let's do it here. You know what? I'm gonna do it right below the neckline. Let's see. 3-to-1. Let's see how that looks. Yeah. You know what? We could do better. Maybe a 4-to-1. Maybe a 4-to-1. You know what? I need to look on the daily and the weekly. I shouldn't just excuse me. So it need to prove to me it's not going to make a lower low. Let's move to 12500. No, that's not right. What did I do wrong? What's this right here? 1.2500. 1.20500. Am I doing something wrong? I don't think so. I'll just move it to that area. No. There we go. Wrong way. No. Something. Oh, I was doing wrong. I was acting like I was gonna do another trade, but I wasn't. So I want to do then gotta be a 4-to-1 risk reward. Say 250. Am I doing that right? Yeah, I want to do a 4-to-1. And again, I'm new to this. I've been in it since March. And that was 1, 2, 3, 1 full month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. 5 months. And this this is a paper trading account. Paper trading, not real money. Let's look on the daily. Let's see what's going on the daily. So on the daily, we do have a bearish engulfing candlestick. We still have negative momentum, which does not prove what the trade I just put in. I still can just cancel it. I'm looking back over here to see what the situation was. We'll see. So we do have a bearish engulfing candlestick from Friday. A nice bearish engulfing candlestick. We have negative momentum. Stochastic is 50. It's in the mid-range. Let's look at the weekly. I don't know. I may rescind that trade. We have looks like a shooting star candlestick. Does that qualify as a shooting star? Any I think I think the bottom wick has to be shorter, if I'm not mistaken. I want to delete this. No, it's not a bearish engulfing candlestick on the weekly either. I think the bottom wick of a shooting star candlestick has to be short, if I'm not mistaken. Little to no upper shadow. Yeah, it's little to no shadow or wick on the bottom of the candlestick. And it's look at the monthly. Yeah, I may put that trade I put that trade in prematurely. You know what? I'm going to take this trade off because I want to see if what it does at this neckline. I want to see. I want to see if it's rejected there. But that's my analysis of the euro dollar trading range, ascending wedge, head and shoulders. Let's see how it goes. It could, to be honest, it could test this and be rejected, but it could test this support as resistance and be rejected. We'll see. We'll see. But as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I release videos every Sunday for right now. But like I said, looks like we are in range slash head and shoulders slash ascending wedge. We'll see. We'll save. I'm gonna save my work. We'll see. So thank you all for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.